apologetic for all the times I pricked you. But my duty was to pinch your papers and not you. At your homes, at your school, and at your workplace, saving you from end-moment things and putting a smile on your worried face. If it weren't for me, your important sheets would be lost. Now, do you understand what's my cost? तो सोच लिया, तो पता लगा कौन है हम.
Hey, I think I got you. Marketrix knows to solve riddles and much more. You are a basic stapler. Am I right or am I right?
जी हाँ, you guessed it right. I am your basic stapler. So you must be wondering, what am I doing on your channel today? Guess what? But the answer lies within you. Have you ever paid attention to the brand of stapler you use to staple your documentation?
Of course, stapler. I am well aware of marketing and branding facts around me. Are your names one of these? Kangaroo, Revuja, Woohoo, Allsys, Amazon Basic?
Oh wow, Marketrix! You know so much about me, but I'm sad that many don't. However, my story goes beyond these words.
That's great, Wise Highness. Would you enlighten me and our audience today about your story?
My story dates back to the 1700th century in France, where I was in the hands of King Louis XV, but I was too expensive for commoners. Then, to make life easier for Aam Aadmi, I was modified in 1895 as a modern stapler and invented by E.H. Hotchkiss Company. Due to this, I became so popular that people started calling me by the name Hotchkiss. But I was a bit difficult to process, so humankind bought a stapling revolution in 1937, and since then, till today, I am the ruler. People invented different types of me, but my mechanism has still remained the same, like an old wise paper stapler.
Aha! You have survived a long journey, my dear friend. From the 18th century to the 19th, and 19th to the 20th, and from the 20th till today. Though you have been modified many times, you are too important to lose and irreplaceable in our eyes.
Yeah, I know. But Marketrix, I have a question for you. Do you know how I became a household product?
Yes, Marketrix knows everything. Can I speak about your marketing journey and lead the audience on your behalf?
Yes, please. The platform and channel is all yours.
Alright, Stapler. Before I proceed to give your answer, I have a quick question for our viewers today. So viewers, when you go to buy a stapler in a shop, do you ask for a particular brand or just ask for a basic stapler? Generally, the majority of the time, we just ask for a stapler because the stapler dutifully does its work without competing with brands. Next question. When was the last time you watched an ad for a stapler?
But how is it that there are no recent ads on me and I'm still capable of being a household product?
Hey, relax. Don't leave your seats. I'm here to solve your queries. My friend, Stapler, got famous from word of mouth marketing. Word of mouth marketing is when a consumer's interest in a company's product or service is reflected in their daily dialogues. Essentially, it is free advertising triggered by customer experiences and usually something that goes beyond what they expected. Centuries ago, the stapler was a luxury product, and later it was modified many times over the years for the mass, but still its usage increased centuries by centuries. After the late 1930s, it has become essential office stationery. Companies were able to sell without marketing as consumers were pitching it to their peers and generations ahead.
Marketrix, you are G-Mane genius. Really, today word of mouth has made me more valuable over the years. You have rightfully portrayed my story to our audience today. Thank you.
You are most welcome, Stapler. It was great meeting you today. Let's end our chat with the last question to our audience. Hey viewers, do you know any other product with a similar story? Let us know in the comment section below.
Marketrix, you helped me a lot today to convey my story to the audience. As a token of love, I would request everyone to like, comment and subscribe to Marketrix channel.